Hi, Joe Cerrone here. I'm going to show how to create a 20mm by 20mm cube using SolidWorks. I'm going to launch my student version of SolidWorks. I'm going to create a part. I'm going to go to the settings and set up my units. And I'm also going to change, I'm not real fond of this kind of grayscaling back here, and so I'm going to change that to plain white. Now, if you've never used SolidWorks before, these videos will be very basic to kind of get you started, and that's why we're creating it as a video. I'm going to click on Sketch, and I'm going to click on the top plane, and then I'm going to go over here to this center rectangle, and I'm going to bring this cursor over to the origin, and I'm just going to pull it while I'm clicking the left mouse button, and I'm going to create a square. Then I'm going to use this Smart Dimension feature to put on what's called a Smart Dimension, and I'll set that as 20 and 20. And that's it. I'll hit the green check mark here, and now I have a 20 by 20 flat rectangle, which I'm going to then extrude by going to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and I'm going to make that 20 millimeters. And I'm going to green check mark it. Now that I have my cube created, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to save this to my file directory as my initials dash CAD107 -1 -L1A. And we'll use these naming conventions basically to kind of keep track of our project. Week 1, lab 1, and then each week we'll do a lab A, B, and C. And so I'll save this as a SolidWorks part. And then I'll save it again as an STL file. And an STL file can be used by our printer to print. And so again, we'll go back to Save As, and we'll change this to STL. We'll leave it the same name, same location. Save it. Yes. And OK. Okay, now that completes this video.